Praises of Zwide, son of Langa, of the Ndwandwe clan. Zwide, son of Langa, he who crouches over people that they might be killed. The unwanted ones of the family were killed. As for him, they did not stab him. Amongst the roads, which one does he resemble? He is like the one which cuts straight across. Among the trees, which one does he resemble? Is like the hardy Essenwood tree. Among the snakes, which one does he resemble? He is like a large green one, which represent the ancestors. Owl of Mkhonto and Langa, he who quickly came to Mashobana, although his father Langa never came. The crafty one, whom they stabbed until the sun went down. The little fools, not yet having been killed. The purification medicine were not eaten with the leg of a beast. They were eaten with that of a lion. Forward with the slippery flagstones. Malus of Ngoleleni slept there, and there slept Dingiswayo of a Yingwin.